Good day, guys. Welcome to my Android tips and tricks on how to operate your Android phone with ease. This is Mr. Omar. Today we are going to be doing something different, something totally different from what we've been doing. Today we are going to show you tricks on how to spy on your kids and on your spouse. I believe some of you must have been having relationship problems, and some of you must have been thinking your kids are browsing things that are not worth it. Yes, it is so easy for you to find out. Here we are going to give you these tips, but please, I would like to beg you, don't use these to commit crimes. I'm still begging you, don't use these to commit crimes. First, before you do this, you need to have access to the person's phone. That's to your target's phone, the person you are targeting to spy on. That's to know what this person has been doing on the phone and the rest. You know, some people when they have messages and the rest, they normally delete it, and the rest you will not be able to see it. But here we are going to give you tips on how you'll be able to retrieve this information, or to know which application has been opened and what time this application has been opened on that phone. Now, here, let's go. Let's write. First, you have to go to the person's phone. Now, go to the Google Chrome of the person's phone. Then you are going to search on mineactivities.google.com. mineactivities.google.com on the person's phone. Then here, you can see that when it opens, you can see what the person searched on the person's phone, where the person visited. You can see where the person visited, different applications, Facebook, WhatsApp, apps on Google search, and the rest. So if this person happened to be doing some kind of things on the phone, if this person have been watching unwanted videos, or this person have been chatting with other people, or for 4 days back, 3 days back, you are going to see everything on this phone. You can see I'm scrolling through the details of this phone. That is the way you can check and spy on this person's phone. I believe you have found that so easy for you to spy and check on the person's phone. There are more tricks to this, but we won't exceed these for security purposes, to keep our listeners and watchers safe from problem with the security. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe and get more tips from us. If you want further tips on these, don't forget to comment, and we are going to give you a direct lecture on how to do more of these. And don't forget to follow us on our Facebook channel. On our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. We'll be always willing to be of help to you about your Android phone. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Until I see you again, this is Mr. Omar.